Good morning, my good viewers. I welcome you to your favorite channel, A Moment with Okwaru. This morning, I'm going to talk about the secrets about men and women, part 1. Men and women, they are very, very different. And that is why some people have said some are from Venus, others are from Mars. And so this morning, I would like to really discuss some few salient differences of men and women, which is also going to help you to know how to handle men and women in different capacities. And so now, when you look at women, there is the aspect of vision. Women have got what we call the peripheral vision. Women are able to see so many things at a glance, when men, it is difficult because they have what we call the funnel vision. Women are able to see so many things without turning their head, but men cannot be able to see things without turning their head because of this funnel vision. And because now of this funnel vision, it becomes difficult even at the home front for men to be able to know where the car keys are, where the socks, where they kept their socks, or wallet, for example. So sometimes they can just complain, you have eaten certain things, you have lost certain things, I don't know where my things are. And when they call their wives, the wives will come and just pick it without any strain, because the women are able to see so many things within at a glance without turning their head. It's also come, for example, when, let's say, you are in a car or you are walking, a man and a woman, they are walking. It's very easy for a man to be blamed by the woman for ogling, for looking at women who are poorly dressed. And the issue is not that men are so much keen on looking at women who are poorly dressed, but it's because of the funnel vision. They are able to focus on one point, and so they are easily caught. But then with the women, because of the peripheral vision, they are able to look at even 5 men at a go, but you won't be able to catch them. And this also comes even to the aspect of shopping. When you go with them, with women to the shop to do shopping in a supermarket, they are going to delay to take a lot of time because of this aspect of peripheral vision. They are going to see so many things at a go, and they are going to be diverted. Their attention is going to be diverted, and that explains why women buy so many shoes and other items which they don't need and which they have not budgeted. When it comes to men, when they go to a supermarket, they are focused and they are going directly to the item which they want to buy. Now, when it comes to lying, it's very easy for men to be caught by lying. Women have got special intuition, and women, they only need to look at your eyes. And so the only way in which men can be able to lie to women is either through phone when they are not seeing you, through writing messages, when they have covered themselves in a blanket, or in the cover of darkness. Otherwise, they will be known. Women will know when men are lying. It's also important to realize that men don't ask for directions. When they are lost, they are lost. They don't want to ask for direction, because asking for direction, it will mean that they are stupid or they are weak. So they don't want to be taken that they are stupid. When it comes to talking, women talk to bold, but when it comes to men, when they are talking, they want to get facts and information. And so that is why you find that women are totally different creatures. Women are totally different creatures in the sense that when the women go even to the washrooms, they can be able to converse, to discuss, because to them, washrooms are sort of therapeutic. It is a place which they are able even to establish networks, to establish relationships. But when they come to men, when they come to washrooms, they are there for serious things because they take the washrooms to be something which is going to be a place to relieve stress. It's a place where they can have peace, they can have calmness, they can be able to relax without being disturbed because they feel other parts of the world, they are very hostile. So now, women also, they can be able to do so many things at a go. They can do what we call multitasking. Men cannot be able to do multitasking. Women can be able to watch a video, to watch a TV. They can be knitting. They can be holding a baby. They can even be reading a newspaper. When you subject a man to multitasking, you are going to confuse them. And because the way we are wired not to do, men are wired not to do multitasking. When it comes to mistakes, a man won't admit his mistakes to a woman. And men also, they hate criticism. Men don't want to be told they have done something wrong. They hate criticism. That is why many men would like to marry virgins. They would not like to marry women who are so much experienced in the world of intimacy because they are likely to correct them and to show them what to do, which men detest very much. When it comes to going to hospital, men do not like to go to hospital. To men, the world of men, hospitals are for women and children. It's a place for vulnerable people. It's not for strong people like me. And so, when few going to hospital, we will be displaying weaknesses. And so, when you find them going to hospital, they are almost dying, and many times they die. And you see men are also disadvantaged. When they go to the doctor, they will also not be able to explain to them, doctor, how they are feeling, because they are not good conversationalists like women. Women are able to explain exactly how they are feeling, and this is a point which explains why women live longer than men, or men die faster than women. Thank you very much. It's Mutiaru Kwaru, your family therapist. Have a great day, and thank you for listening. Thank you.